careful that your detours do not turn into destinations. You know, a detour often gets us off of the right path, off of the road, off of the plan that we're on. And if we're not careful, that detour takes us down a road that turns into a cul-de-sac. Detours are where dreams die, discouragement happens, defeat comes in. Turn your learning opportunities into a new address, not a cul-de-sac. The best math is to calculate the future cost of a current decision. If you can find out what will the end game be if I make this decision, what will the future hold because of this current decision, you are doing a good thing in making right decisions. It's been said that we make over 35,000 decisions every single day. Ask these questions if you're making a major decision. First, who are the stakeholders in this decision? In other words, who is it going to impact? Who are the people that...
So in thinking about goals for your team, ask this question. What is something you would like your team to accomplish? So if I reach this week's goal, and then next week I reach another goal, in 4 weeks I'll hit my 30-day goal. And in 30 days, I will hit my 90-day goal. Now obviously break this down in the way that best fits for your particular goal. So you want to break down, if you're working on a project, break it down into some sprints. If you're running a sprint, it's different than running a marathon. A sprint means I want to make it 100 yards, and then I'll do another 100 yards, and then another 100 yards. Well, you do enough of those, before long, you've run a marathon. But you don't just start out running a marathon. Dr. Howard Hendricks said, the secret to concentration is elimination. We have to learn to eliminate the unimportant from our life, the things that are not essential, so that we can focus on and concentrate on the essential. You see, you can't think of two things at one time. If you begin to think of something else, you have to stop thinking of what you were thinking about, because your mind is not made to multitask in that manner. So ask yourself these three questions. Number one, what should be eliminated? In other words, what are the things that I should prioritize, and in what order? What should I do away with? What should I wait or delay in doing? Postpone it. You need to give it off to someone else. Maybe even you need to delegate it. That's leadership, and that's learning to grow. You eliminate the right things, you can concentrate on the right things.